Hi, welcome back to another spectacular video from ExamPadi. Today, we're going to be learning about one of the most important stages of human development, which is adolescence. What exactly is adolescence? This is the time in one's life when they transition from being a child to being a teenager and then to an adult. Adolescence usually starts around age 10 to 12 and lasts until the mid to late teens or early 20s. Adolescence is a period of growth, development, change, and discovery. During one's adolescent stages, changes can happen in them physically, emotionally, and socially. Let's explore some of the changes adolescents may embark on. First of all, both boys and girls may notice growth sprouts, which include growing taller, and there may also be changes in voice, skin, and hair. Boys may experience growth of facial hair, while girls may experience breast development. All these changes happen because of hormones, which are chemical messengers in the body that help us to grow and develop. A lot happens in adolescence emotionally, and one may experience mood swings and intense feelings of happiness, sadness, anger, or anxiety. This occurs because the brain is developing and there is a change in hormones. It's normal to feel overwhelmed and anxious with emotions at times, but it's very important to remember that it's okay to express your feelings and reach out when you need it. Another aspect of adolescence is social changes. This is when you start to form your own identity and become more independent from your family. One may find themselves with new interests and hobbies, and there is a tendency to make new friends and begin to participate in extracurricular activities like sports or music. Although it's great to explore new things, it's important to remember to balance your time between your activities and your schoolwork. Adolescence years are great, but they can also come with certain problems like peer pressure from friends, academic stress from schoolwork, and even difficulty navigating relationships within family and friends. It's okay to ask for help from trusted adults like parents, teachers, or counselors, and they can do their best to offer support and guidance during these times. Thank you so much for learning about adolescence with me. Subscribe to ExamPadi for more interesting videos. Goodbye.